This is Angie Pierce, and I am in class EIM 505 at Jacksonville State University. Today I'm doing a tutorial on the Alabama Virtual Library and a database that you can use once you go there to find specific journal articles or books or various different things on this website. First of all, you can get to the Alabama Virtual Library by going to this website right here. It's https://www.avl.lib.al.us. So once you get there, you will see this, and all of these things right here are places that you can click to narrow down your search. If you're an elementary school teacher and you're looking for things for elementary school, you can click on this and so on. I teach middle school, so I'm going to click on middle school. And then it allows me to search middle school resources. Okay, those are the different middle school resources. You can use any of those, or you can click on college and university, and it will take you to several different resources. Of course, these are higher level. And the one that I want to show you how to use today is the EBSCOhost. So I'm going to click on that. And let's just say I'm looking for a scholarly article, peer-reviewed journal article on technology in the classroom. So I'm going to type in technology in the classroom and click search. And it comes up with 18,072 results. All along the side down here, you can see where you can narrow down this search to full text, scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles, all these different ways. So you can go through and narrow it down so you don't have that many things to flip through when you're searching. This is Angie Pierce. I hope you've learned a lot from the tutorial.